I want to explain another tool for drawing a spline with the freehand. It's a sketch tool, sketch spline tool. Here is its settings. You can simply holding mouse and click and drag for drawing curves in any direction and any shape that you want. Very simple. The speed of your drawing is very important to creating points. For example, I draw fast, as you can see the number of points here. If you draw that line again with a slow click and dragging, you can see the tool creates you more points. So the speed of your drawing is important to creating points. In its settings, the first option that I want to explain is stroke smoothing. It's in the default in a 50%. For example, I make it to 0 and 100 to see it's different. It's all about in a high speed drawing. For example, if you draw this path, you can simply draw it as anywhere that your mouse is going. But if you, it's like a lazy mouse dragging. If you increase it to the 100 and you can draw it, as you can see, it's like a lazy mouse, and you cannot draw in anyone that you want. Actually, this tool simply remove your mouse noise. As you can see, if you draw fast, this you can see the effect of this option here. Another interesting tool option is, I make it the default, is a radius. For example, I draw something here and I want to continue from here. You can simply increase the radius. As you can see, two dot line, two red dots will be appear with a curve. It's about a radius. And you can simply click and drag and continue the spline from that point. You can simply click and drag here to this point, any direction that you want. You can simply click and drag and continue from that point. This is all about the radius. Blend is something about, if you click create new spline, I draw another. It's a blend, is all about to blend two curves together. If you want to, for example, you can connect this spline to that spline. Very simple. But they're connected to each other in the first and end point, like this. It's all about blending two curves together. Okay, that's it. The sketch tool, very interesting.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.